500 gallons of milk becomes 2,000 ice cream containers daily. Here's how.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the factory. Right now, we're mixing up our famous strawberry and pistachio ice cream.
All right, hold it right there. Brakes are set?
Yeah, pressure's good. Go ahead with the connection.
The secret is in the temperature control. Watch what happens next.
Watch the transformation begin. This is where magic happens. Still not ready to eat, one more critical step remains.
All right, the trailer's pre-cooled to -10. Confirmed. We're ready to load the pallets now.
Load bars are secured. Temperature logger activated and verified. Ready for transport.
All right, so that's 50 cases of Chunky Monkey and 40 of the fish food. Everything looks correct here.
Yep, looks good. I'll sign for it now.
Say, ah.
Wow, that's amazing.
I want more chocolate.
Who's ready for dessert?
I am. Cheers to summer.
Best part of the barbecue.
Happy birthday, make a wish. Oh wow, this sundae is huge.
Great game, everyone. We earned this.
From farm fresh milk to your favorite frozen treat, this is how America's ice cream is really made.